Good morning, children. We are continuing the chapter Lines and Angles. Yesterday, I already explained what you mean by line segment, ray, angle, etc. So, angle means how will you define an angle? Two rays originate from the same point, they form an angle. So now we are going to learn pairs of angles. Yesterday I explained what you mean by adjacent angle. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms are on both the sides of the common arm. Linear pair also explained. Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair if non-common arms are forming a line or non-common arms are opposite rays. Now pairs of angle. So I am going to explain when a ray stands on a line. So this is a line AB. One ray is standing on this. This is a point OC. This is OC is the ray. This ray is standing on this line. You know that angle AOC and angle BOC, two angle, and the other angle is angle AOB. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to, so yesterday again I have taught you two adjacent angles, sum will be equal to the angle formed by the non-common arm. So this is two adjacent angle AOC and BOC. So when you are adding these two, and that is equal to the angle formed by the non-common arm. So this is OA and OB are the non-common arms. So therefore this angle AOB is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC. So it is equal to angle AOB. So this AOB, it is a straight line. So you can say this measure of the angle AOB is the straight angle. What is the measure of a straight angle? Measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So I am substituting it here. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. So what you have learned here, if a ray stands on a line, then sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180. That means a ray is standing on this line, two adjacent angles are forming. So these sum of these two adjacent angle is 180. So now see here, this is the ray. This is a line. Suppose one ray is standing like this. This angle I am considering as 130. This is 50. So these two angles AOC plus BOC, angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 50 plus 130 equal to 180 degree. Now you see that if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180, their non-common arms form a line. So here we are learned a ray is standing on the line. The sum of the two adjacent angle is 180. Now we are saying the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180. Then the non-common arms form a line. So here, if the sum of the adjacent angle is 180, angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angle form a line. Any angle, sum of the any two adjacent angle is 180. So you take this is 100 degree and this will be 80 degree. If sum of this is 180, so angle PSR plus angle QSR is 80 plus 100 is 180. Since this sum of the two adjacent angle is 180, SV and SQ are the non-common arms. They are opposite rays and they form a line. Combining these two, we can write the linear pair axiom. If the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arms form a line. Conversely, two adjacent angles form a linear pair if and only if they are supplementary angle. You know what is a supplementary angle? Sum of the two angles is 180. So, if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then their non-common arms form a line. Conversely, two adjacent angles form a linear pair if and only if they are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. This is linear pair axiom. That means sum of the two adjacent angles is 180, then non-common arms are forming a line. Conversely, if two adjacent angles form a linear pair, if and only if they are supplementary angles. This is called a linear pair axiom. So I am going to teach you one theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So two lines intersect. AB, line is CD, this is intersecting at O. So Last class we have learned what you mean by intersecting lines. So intersecting lines mean both the lines should pass through a common point. So here vertically opposite angles are formed. These two are one pair of vertical angle, vertically opposite angle. AUD and BOC are one pair of vertically opposite angle. AOC and BOD are the other pair of vertically opposite angle. You have to prove angle AOC equal to BOD. Next is angle AOD equal to angle BOC. So how you have to prove? First point, first you consider this ray OA stands on the line CD. Ray OA stands on line CD. What you have learned first, when a ray stands on the line, these two angles, sum of these two adjacent, the measure of the sum of these two adjacent angle is 180. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle AOD is 180. Angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. So the reason is, if a ray stands on a line, sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree. And second, you take this ray OD. Ray OD stands on AB. See, here we have taken OA stands on CD, sum of these two angle 180. Now we are taking OD stands on AB. So you are getting two adjacent angle AOD and BOD. So angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180. The reason is same above. Now the third one, you see here AOC plus AOD is 180. AOD plus BOD is 180. I can equate these two. So angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. So here both the side AOD is there, so you can cancel these two. So you are getting angle AOC equal to angle BOD. So this is a one we have proved here. Okay, now the next one you can say, take this ray OB stands on CD. Ray OB stands on CD. So here two adjacent angles are forming. Which are the two adjacent angle? Angle BOD plus angle BOC. BOC equal to 180 degree. The reason is given in the first. Now you see this. This one, we have taken OD, sum of this is 180. We have taken OB ray, sum of this is 180. So here come here AOD plus BOD. AOD plus BOD. Then BOD plus BOC. So this one and this one, you can equate it. Angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to angle BOD plus angle BOC. Here also both the side BOD you can cancel. So you are getting AOD equal to angle BOC. So this is also proved. So here you got AOC equal to BOD, vertically opposite angle. Next you got AOD equal to BOC, vertically opposite angle. So here we have proved the vertically when two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are equal.